At ING, our ambition is to become the digital bank of the future. We have 57,000 employees. We serve 38 million customers across 40 different countries. That bank needs to become fully digital to make sure that the customers can do banking whenever they want to. Around 10 years ago, we started the data center consolidation program. We have invested a lot of time and effort into getting rid of all of our legacy systems and migrating into more unified environments.
The most frustrating thing about the legacy system was log collection and maintaining the infrastructure. It's not supposed to be the essence of our job. We are supposed to detect threats and not maintain logs.
We were aware that there are a lot of threats, but we cannot do much about that because we do not have a proper tooling in place.
Microsoft 365 Defender help us find single incident in a sea of signals. By investigating signals from only one layer, we will be finding tons of false positives. By combining the information in M365, we are able to see really interesting incidents that happen on our systems. Right now we are sending all of our alerts from all of our security solutions into Microsoft Sentinel, where we create security incidents and let the analysts use all the information correlated in this for the investigation.
Microsoft Sentinel will enhance our on-premise platform as well as provide us with a great scalability for our future needs.
ING is using multiple public cloud providers in order to achieve its business goals. We're using GCP mostly from the perspective of data analytics. We're also using Azure Arc from the perspective of compute.
We start to consume more and more services from public clouds like Azure or GCP. And it's very exciting for DevOps teams to have new types of services they can build their solutions on, but it's also very easy for them to make a mistake. Microsoft Defender for Cloud help us by showing us our security posture, showing us unhealthy resources, and also guidelines on how to harden the systems.
Thanks to this modernized security solution, we could free our time and do more advanced work.
Our engineers can focus on developing a content which leads to finding a real security incidents and make the bank more secure.
Microsoft technology is evolving super fast, as are we. That helps us to provide seamless services to our customers whenever they need them.